Hey everybody, it's Tom with your mental fitness technique of the week, bubble breathing. Here's another simple, fun breathing technique that little kiddos love, and it brings out the kid in all of us. Helps to reinforce the importance of breathing to both our physical, our mental, and our emotional health. For this one, grab a bottle of bubbles or pretend like you have one. What I want you to do is I want you to take that bottle of bubbles and just take a look at it. Take a look at the colors and every piece of it. Be mindful of it. Now, put your hand in, pull out the bubble wand, and then what we're gonna do, we're gonna breathe in, and then on the exhale, you're gonna keep blowing on that exhale to get as many bubbles as you can out. A nice slow exhale, get as many bubbles as you can out. And then even when you run out of bubbles in the wand, keep blowing till you get all that air out of your lungs. Breathe in, exhale. All right, let's try one more time. And remember, even if you don't have a bottle of bubbles, you could just still pretend to do this. Breathing in and exhale. So this technique helps to accentuate that exhale, which is really, really important to get all of that air out of your lungs. So have some fun this week and give bubble breathing a try each and every day. If you found this valuable and would like more resiliency building tips, as well as additional mindfulness, meditation, or visualization exercises, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our new content. See you next week.